Hello everyone, today I'll be introducing the RFID Enhanced Item Checkout System prototype. Today I'll be showcasing the reader and writer script. As you saw, we just had a successful write of the product sweatshirt to our RFID card. Now what I'm doing is I'm uploading the reader script to our system so that when it scans, it will showcase the product sweatshirt and the price just below it, which I believe we have set at $24.99 in our basic database structure that we set in our code. Now what happens if someone wants to outsmart the system and bring their own RFID card? Well, we do have a solution for that. What you can do is set protocols within the code that you put into the RFID chip so that once it's scanned, you can get outputs like this where we say it's not part of our company's produce or product. Now let's change up the situation. Let's say it is one of our products. Let's say it's an apple. However, when they come to scan it, it accidentally reads sweatshirt. Well, I'm going to showcase that using the same RFID chip that we had that wasn't even a part of our company, we can write the protocols and the object that we want it to be, in this case, an apple. Now I'm just going to show you that we have applied this to many different RFID chips with different product values. But there you see key A. That's going to be very important here in a moment. I'm going to explain the RFID MyFair 1K chip. The MyFair 1K chip has a total memory of 1024 bytes, formatted into 16 sectors. Each sector has 4 blocks, and each block has 16 bytes. The last block of each sector is called the sector trailer, which can also be referred to as the permission block of the sector. It contains 2 6-byte keys known as key A and key B. Key A is usually for lower level authentication, such as permitting read access to the sector. Key B is oftentimes the higher level authentication key permitting write access to the sector. So when our RFID scanner read the RFID card, it ran into an error with the authentication process of key A, which was wanting to read the card. This was just a simple misread of the reader and therefore just had to rescan the card again. Here I wanted to showcase what would happen if we have an RFID card that has all the correct security protocols to access our items database. However, the item that is assigned to the RFID card itself isn't an item that is within our database. Lastly, just wanted to show how we created a simple struct to make our item database on the simplest level just by hard programming it into the program itself. However, we can put this into a database and expand upon our project in that way.